Gboard is Google's official keyboard app for Android, but if you have something like a Samsung tablet, it doesn't actually come with Gboard installed, and I'll show you how to change that. My tablet, for example, has the Samsung keyboard, and to see all your available keyboards, you can go to Settings, and on Samsung devices, you'll find your keyboards under General Management. Some tablets have this under Settings, System, and Keyboard, or under Additional Settings. I can see in my keyboard settings that I don't have Gboard installed, which means we'll need to download it. Downloading keyboards is actually just like downloading apps. We'll go to Google Play Store and then use the search to search for Gboard. It'll be on the top of your search results, and you can tap it from the results to open more details if the detail page isn't open already. Then just tap Install and let your tablet download and install the keyboard. Once the download is finished, we're going to tap Open. Then you'll see a screen that's asking you to enable the keyboard in your settings, so we'll do that. It takes me to the same keyboard settings I was looking at earlier, and here I can toggle on Gboard. My tablet gives me a little heads up saying this app, or keyboard, will see everything I type. This is just a security heads up, and because we're installing a keyboard, it's fine that it'll read our keystrokes. That's kind of what keyboards are meant to do anyway. Then I'll go to my default keyboard, and I can now change it from the Samsung keyboard to Gboard. My tablet jumps back to the Gboard setup guide, which basically just tells me that I've selected Gboard as my default keyboard, and I'm all set. I'm going to jump back to the keyboard settings to show you one more thing. There's this toggle on the bottom for showing keyboard button on navigation bar. This basically allows you to quickly switch between keyboards, so you can alternate between Samsung keyboard and Gboard, or even switch between different languages if you have multiple keyboards set up for different languages. Now when I go to any app, I'll see the Gboard as my default keyboard. And on the bottom left, I'll have that tiny button for quickly switching keyboards without having to go into my settings. And that's how you set up Gboard on your tablet. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you all in the next one.